very popular to make for the chicken kosha recipe. So table of give a wok or pan and let it heat. And fry them till they become golden brown. Remove them from the pan, leaving the oil behind. In the same oil, add bay leaf, dry valley, as well as cardamoms. Let them fry till they start releasing the aroma, or around 45 seconds to 1 minute on medium flame. Now add winning onions. Now fry them until they start becoming brown. Add turmeric powder and chopped tomatoes. Give it a good mix and let them fry for around 2 to 3 minutes until fragrant on medium flame. Now add green chilli. And we'll open it, or we'll proceed further once our chicken is around 50 to 60% done. That means after 10 to 12 minutes, but we open in between and stir once in between. The chicken pieces has released almost all of its water. Now add sugar and add water. After mixing, cover the pan or the wok or kadhai and let it cook on low flame till the chicken pieces are tender. Here is our chicken kosha ready to eat. So we'll transfer it to the serving dish. So friends, here is our chicken kosha or Kosha Mangsho ready to eat. You can enjoy it with roti, chapati, rice or naan. And believe me, once you assemble the ingredients, it's very easy to make. We'll see you again very soon with a new dish, with a new recipe. Till then, bye and take care of yourself. Have a good night.